Respect Almighty. Respect the messengers of Almighty. Respect your parents. Respect your elders. Respect religious people. Respect your friends, your siblings, your neighbors, your elders, and your younger people. Respect to the outsiders. Anyone, give respect to them. Even though they are the beggars, respect to them also, my dear. Treat people in better way. I think so. Some concept is there. You attitude. Follow the you attitude. What you like is what you deliver to others. I hope you are understanding, friends. Respect, my dear Almighty, who has created us. Another important area is all about make good friends. Choose and select good friends. Why? Because friends, either they will make your career or either they will break your career. Friends are those who help you